part 2. Sorry about that. My phone cut off. So, going into the voltage multiplier, coming out of that into the VSR, coming out of the VSR into the flyback, coming out of the flyback. This plate right here is the negative of the flyback, and this plate right here is the positive. Goal here is to see if we could alkaline this water sitting in between this electrostatic field. Let's go ahead and some kind of vortex going on or something. Let's check. I don't even know if it's on. There it is. I think I just seen something. I think the water just moved away from my light bulb end. I'm gonna have to go up on that again. Look at the water. I'm going to give it one more minute. And we're going to see if anything changed in the water. That's a big field in there. I almost think the water's like lifting up in the middle, like higher. Let me lower this. Tighten up on the gap. All right. Time for a test. All right. Seems like it's doing the opposite, but there's the, let's look at the comparison. That down bottom looks bluer. They look about the same. They getting about the same. That has a little bit brighter orange than that. Definitely not matching up to the house water. I gotta get me drinking some of this house water. I'm drinking this with baking soda in it, but baking soda, still your kidneys gotta overwork to process that, to get it through. So if I can bring the alkalinity up naturally without adding anything to this, I'd rather be there. Fountain of youth in the house. You'll notice a lot of people along the shorelines and streams, creeks and streams. You'll see natural springs, especially natural springs. Natural springs come out higher alkalinity than 7.4. They usually come out 7.5, 7.45. You'd be surprised around the world where the alkalinity sits. So we gave that enough time. It looks like it pretty much matches up. Oh wait, that's darker. Let's see what that is. Now this one's a regular pool strip. I realized the pH strip for humans, for saliva and urine, you can't use those unless it's really pee or saliva, because it's that activates the strip. These do not. This is a pool one, which will show chlorine and so forth, but it still will show alkalinity. So down bottom we are looking at total hardness. So total hardness. So not a lot of alkalinity, it's kind of low, around 100. And then go up one. Some kind of acid. Very high because we're at the big time purple. And then up to the alkalinity. We ain't doing, that's the third one up. Very low. So I'm gonna jump off this phone. We're doing another test, and this time I'm gonna flop the poles and do it for another 5 minutes and see if I think what we did was we made the water more acidic, is what I'm kind of seeing from those results here. But there's no telling. I'm going to see if I can make it more alkaline. Peace out. Leave your comments.